Welcome to week 3. I hope you enjoyed week 2. In week 3, you won't have any discussion board questions because what we do here is mostly review. We're reviewing the whole accounting process. I've recorded some videos that look at the review conceptually and with a few examples, and then I've recorded a 4-part sort of comprehensive example that's a little bit like the one you're going to do to turn in, except that this one begins with a company from scratch and yours is an ongoing company. And so when you begin yours, you'll have some balances in your ledger accounts at the very beginning from the balance sheet. Whereas when I did, we started with a clear slate. As far as last week's discussion goes, I haven't got to look at it and grade it yet, but realize this, and that is that everything they wanted to do was an error. Okay, they couldn't do any of it. They'd done all the work, and all that work represents earnings. What they hadn't done, though, is converted anything into a claim on cash. Nobody owed them any money. Okay, they hadn't collected any money, and they didn't obligate anybody. No one owed them any money, so there was no realization, and so. There's no revenue to record. We could record some expenses, those that could not be sort of matched with the future. But most of the costs they incurred would have been to build the building, and would have been in a building account if we treated this thing as a partnership. But if not as a partnership, then still some account that would reflect the costs of the building that it had done. The costs they incurred to secure financing, I think most of that would have been expensed in the current period. And so for this company, this contract they signed results in no profit, a little bit of loss. Okay. Now, beginning in the next year, when tenants begin to occupy space, then we'll get some profit. Okay. Some revenue and all the expenses that will match against it. Anyway, that was that. Again, this week is mostly review. If you have any questions, you can ask them through email. You can call. I'm more likely to get an answer quickly through email. You can post them to the discussion board, not to the discussion board that deals with the chapter, but to the questions for the instructor discussion. Okay? And I hope you do well. And again, all these will be put in that sort of a Dropbox there under week 3. Do good in week 3. I'll see you again for week 4, and we'll do the income statement.